Hey guys, it's John from That DIY Couple. Today we're going to be preparing a bright line eating breakfast, an oatmeal blend that we came up with ourselves, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So for bright line eating in the morning, you're able to eat one protein, one grain, and one fruit. So we have all of those three different ingredients here. We're using a couple different types of proteins, which I think makes the oatmeal a little bit more fun and interesting. And for the grains, we're using oats. So we're making essentially an overnight oat recipe. We're gonna soak the oats in all the ingredients here overnight. And then in the morning, we're gonna add our fruits, which are gonna be an apple and a banana. So in bright line eating, it's really important to weigh and measure your food. And we have here this great digital food scale. This has been super helpful in bright line eating. And if you are doing this journey, I recommend definitely buying one. The way the food scale works is the power button is also the 0 button. So right now it's reading 0 because I don't have anything on it. The weight of this jar is about 10 ounces. And if I wanted to zero it out, I press the 0 button, the weight goes down to 0, and then when I add in ingredients, I can measure just by putting the ingredients right into the jar, which is way easier than having to individually measure every component and then put it into a jar. The very first part of our recipe is to use 1 ounce of oats. So I've already zeroed out the scale, and I'm going to pour in 1 ounce of oats. Perfect. So for our protein for this recipe, we're going to be using a combination of almond milk, walnuts, and 2 different types of seeds. And to make it a little bit more interesting, we're going to be using all of these in different combinations. Bright line eating allows for 8 ounces of almond milk, but we're going to be cutting that in half for this recipe. So we're using 4 fluid ounces of almond milk, which I'm going to pour in right now. Okay, the next step is we're going to be putting in our nuts. So as I said before, we're using walnuts, and we're going to put in 1/2 ounce of walnuts. So just to make it easier, I'm going to be taking the wet mixture off right now and putting it to the side, and then just measuring everything that's dry in a bowl, and then we're going to combine that later. So I'm zeroing out the scale again for the bowl, and then I'm going to put in, as I said, 1/2 ounce of walnuts. I probably need more than this. You can chop your walnuts. You can use a food processor if you want, but I think for oatmeal, I kind of like the bigger chunks of walnuts. So I'm just going to chop them not particularly finely. Okay, perfect. I'm going to add these right into our wet mixture. The next thing I'm going to do is add in our various seeds here. These are going to be 2 more additions to the total protein that we're able to have in a morning. So I'm adding in ground flaxseed here, and also hemp seed. Both ground flaxseed and hemp seeds are really great sources of omega-3 fatty acids, and they're important if you're eating mostly a plant-based diet, which, as you guys might know, we generally do. You can definitely do bright line eating, not eating a plant-based diet if you'd like, but what we do in our daily lives is eat plant-based mostly, so vegan, vegetarian, and these are really great for getting fats that are difficult to get from other types of plant-based products. So we're using 1/4 ounce of each of this, the flaxseed and the hemp seed. We are dividing everything up so that we're getting 1 total serving of protein in the breakfast. And my scale doesn't go to 1/4 ounces. So really what I'm most concerned about is just getting 1/2 ounce of these 2 together in approximately a 50/50 proportion. Okay, I'm going to add this into our wet mixture here. So now I'm going to add in a few more things for flavoring. I'm adding in vanilla extract, and I'm also going to be grinding up some cinnamon and using a little bit of nutmeg. So we're going to be putting in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and just an amount of cinnamon. Not really sure how much, just basically for flavoring. One of the nice things about bright line eating is that you can use condiments like nutmeg, vanilla extract, cinnamon in basically unregulated portions to give your food more flavoring. And I find that's great. This recipe reminds me of Christmas because of the vanilla and the cinnamon. And you can adjust to your sort of taste preferences. I find this is a pretty good amount of vanilla because if I add in more vanilla in this, it kind of gets bitter. So we're just gonna add in the cinnamon now. So I'm gonna be using ground cinnamon to flavor this. I don't really know what amount I'm gonna put in. It's just kind of an amount that I think is appropriate. You can kind of adjust it to your own flavor profile, but this is about how much I'm putting in. Just from experience, that's, I think, put a little bit more. That's a pretty good amount. And that's basically it. I'm gonna mix this stuff up. And what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna make a second batch for Shannon. We're gonna put both of these in the refrigerator overnight so that they soak. What happens overnight is the oats suck up all of the liquid and the nutrients and flavors, get really soft. And then in the morning, we are going to add in our apple and our banana. So I'm gonna finish this up, make the second serving for Shannon, and then we'll go from there. Hey guys, it's the morning. We're gonna be eating our overnight oats. We have allowed these to soak in the refrigerator overnight. I'm just gonna stir them up a little bit. We're gonna put on our fruit serving right now. We can each have one serving of fruit, but what we decided to do is that we're gonna just split the apple and split the banana and put a little bit in each. We're gonna warm this one up. This is gonna be mine just because we usually have it cold, but I just wanna try it warm and see how it tastes. This one is the warm one. This is the cold one. Let's try the warm one. It's really good. Delicious. This is our cold one. I think I actually prefer cold. Yeah.
Let me give it a try. Quite good.
That's the warm one.
I think I also prefer it cold.
Yeah. Delicious.
So we're gonna enjoy our overnight oats.
We're gonna enjoy our overnight oats this morning, and we will be back with another video about how we make other Brightline eating foods. Thanks, guys.